Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the convert to outline feature found within FlexiPRINT. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head into the program here, now like I mentioned, we're going to be looking at the feature that converts stuff to outline. Now this is a handy feature if you want to have more control over your shapes and perhaps text. But there is something important to note, and that is it's called a more destructive workflow, which means once I've converted, let's say, text to the outline, I cannot convert it back to text. So just keep that in mind. So good practices, let's say you wanted to change something like text, you just make a copy of it, and then you edit the copy. So you always have a backup of the original if you need to. Otherwise, if you know what you're doing and you're quite comfortable with the tool, you can just head straight into converting like that. Now if I had to take this rectangle, I'm gonna just show you with the shape and text the difference. And let's say I want to go to our actual select point tool and edit this shape. Now I'm sure, as you can remember, if we have like a form of path tool, let's just create like a random thing here, close it up. Then if I go to the select point tool, then we can edit these paths to get more control over the shape. But now when it comes to something like a normal shape, like a rectangle or a circle or oval, then the actual select point tool does not work on that, because it's just working with basic calculations for that shape. So now in order to make that so I have more control over it, I can simply go to arrange, and then we can zoom in here just so you can see convert to outlines. The shortcut for that is Control-Shift-O. So if I click that, now if I had to go to our node tool, you will see now suddenly we have these points we can edit, or should I say our point select tool. So if you wanted to make more unique shapes, maybe something that looks like it's in perspective, so we can make this look like it's maybe like a tile on the ground or something in that line, then you can always use this tool to get more control over it. But like I said, just keep in mind there's no ways of converting it back. When it comes to normal shapes, it's not that important. But once you start playing around with text tools, then it can be important if you want to change the text later on. So let's say we have this text. Now you can obviously do the same. So we can simply go with it selected, we go to arrange and we say convert to outline or Control-Shift-O. And then now you'll see all these little ones. I can change the actual look of them. Pretty handy. And especially, like I said, if you want to get a little bit more control over your shapes, maybe you use some form of stock font, but your design just needs a little bit of edge, then you can always come in here and do some fine tuning. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the convert to outline. In the meanwhile though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.